Hey everyone. Today I'll show you how to transfer money from Interactive Brokers to Binance step by step. I'll be showing you this on the web. You'll need both accounts open in your browser. First, head to Interactive Brokers and log into your client portal. Once you're logged in and can see your dashboard, look for the Transfer and Pay menu at the top of the page. It's usually in the top navigation bar or the main menu in the top left corner. Click on it. When the menu opens, you'll see Transfer Funds. Click that. Then look for Withdraw Funds or Make a Withdrawal, depending on what your account shows. Click it and the withdrawal form will load. Now you'll see a method selector. You'll have options like bank wire transfer, transfer to Wise Balance, or ACH if you're in the US. Choose the method that works for your location. Bank wire is available globally. Once you've selected your method, you'll see fields for your bank details. Enter your bank routing number and account number, or select Saved Bank Info if you've done this before. Make sure the name on your bank account matches your Interactive Brokers account name exactly. That's important for compliance. Then, enter the amount you want to withdraw in US dollars or your preferred currency. Review everything on the confirmation screen. You'll need to complete two-factor authentication here. Use your IB key or whichever device you've set up. Once that's done, you'll see a confirmation message and get an email. Interactive Brokers processes withdrawals within 1 business day, and funds typically arrive in your bank account within 2 business days. Now you'll wait for the money to hit your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank's transaction history. When the funds appear in your balance, you're ready for the next part. Head over to Binance and log in. Once you're on your dashboard, click the deposit button. You'll find it in the top navigation or under your account icon in the upper right corner. If you don't see it immediately, go to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot, then Deposit. On the deposit page, select Bank Deposit, then choose your fiat currency: US dollars, euros, whatever you're transferring. Binance will show you their bank details. This is where you'll send the money from your bank account. Now, open your bank's online banking in another tab. Set up a transfer to the bank account details Binance just gave you. Make sure you include any reference number or memo that Binance shows you. This is how they'll match the transfer to your account. Double check that your bank account name matches the name registered to your Binance account. Send the transfer from your bank, then head back to Binance and go to Wallet, then Transaction History. Keep an eye on this page. Your deposit can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on your bank and region. Once the funds show up in your Binance Fiat wallet balance, you're done. A few quick things to keep in mind. Intermediary banks sometimes deduct small fees from wire transfers, so check the final amount matches what you expected. Also, Interactive Brokers gives you 1 free withdrawal per month. After that, each withdrawal costs $10. And if you just deposited money into Interactive Brokers, you'll need to wait 3 business days for it to settle before you can withdraw it. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.